Welcome and thank you for watching Discovery's Birds, filmed at Discovery Cove in Orlando, Florida, in the Explorer's Aviary exhibit. We've been to multiple places where lorikeets or parakeets may land on you, especially if you have food. But Discovery Cove took this to the next level of having multiple types of birds that are willing to land on you. Towards the end, there will be a top 5 countdown of the top bird moments at Discovery Cove's Explorer's Aviary. Enjoy the show.
Nè. ¿Qué está tomando?
We've watched birds of different sizes and colors at Discovery Cove. Some of these birds landed on us, giving us our words for thought. Now this is smaller than all other seeds, but when it is full grown, it is larger than the garden plants and becomes a tree, so that the birds of the air come and nest in its branches. God bless you and your loved ones as you live your great adventure.